Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today
We're
rebuilding the Texans. Sorry, we have a bad camera work, but just gonna.
We're doing it with the Texans.
There's no fantasy draft either. No fantasy draft, just regular season. Okay, we're starting in the preseason. Let's get into this.
We're not even doing the preseason.
No. This is the team we're using.
Okay, and then we're gonna trade away some of the
We're trying to get a good quarterback. That's what.
players. So yeah, let's try.
We are gonna sim to the regular season. We'll be right back. Okay, we're in the regular season. Now let's get to some trades. We have to rebuild a 75 overall. I'll be doing the trading and he'll give me some ideas.
No, trades.
Quickly review the league's top performers and the current week schedule from the league tab. Or use the option. This is the player card.
We're trading away Dave. No, we're not upgrading him.
No upgrading. Okay, we're just rebuilding the Texans.
So trade away Davis Mills. Stop.
Tell me if that was annoying in the comments. Okay, I think first we try getting Jamar Chase.
No.
Or a good Q.
I think first we need to get a good QB because Davis Mills is trash.
I think we're gonna go.
Let's see if what Larry Tunsil will go for.
I think we're gonna get.
Let's see what Larry
I think
Tunsil will.
we're gonna go for Dak.
No.
Well, if we can't get him, then that sucks. Okay, we're gonna see what Laramie can do in the first. Can they see?
Yeah. Let's see what Chiefs. Travis Kelce.
Because we're getting Tyreek Hill.
We could have got Travis Kelce, dummy.
We're getting Tyreek Hill in the left end. And now we're gonna look to trade, like.
Brandon Cooks in the next best pick.
We're gonna try to trade Damian Pierce and Brandon Cook
In the next best pick.
for a really good pick.
Get a good QB.
We'll get a good QB if we can get to the Jaguars and get their pick. Is that yes?
Yes.
You got the first overall pick. And finally, we can...
Okay, we can probably.
Now we're going to play a game. And
No.
To the end of the regular season.
We're not having Davis Mills.
No, we'll get someone in free agency. Okay, cut the video. Cut it. Oh, simulating. It's still simulating. If we don't win one Super Bowl by 2030, we have to drink hot sauce.
We have to win at least
One.
5
Playoff wins. 10 playoff wins.
Yeah.
And we went 2-15.
What?
Oh, we got the first pick of next year's draft. Okay, now we're gonna sim to the draft.
So
We are going into the draft. Now we're simulating. We're gonna cut it off. There'll be about 3 minutes for us, 0 for you.
Okay, so we're gonna start the NFL draft. We're gonna do 5 picks. So yeah, let's start drafting. Get a good QB. Get a good QB. What are you doing?
Sorry, guys. think I'm gonna draft a fast wide receiver next round. Should I draft him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna draft Brendan Webster.
On the clock now, the Houston Texans.
Yes, he's hitting the bell. Now I'm going for like a fast wide receiver to go with Tyreek. We got back-to-back picks here. To be honest, I don't even know how. Should I get another fast wide receiver?
Yeah.
Okay, we're drafting Devon Perkins. He is super fast.
And then that's all we're doing for the draft.
We're doing a couple more picks.
We're doing
We just got a 4.24 speed player.
We're doing 2 more picks.
Drafting a free safety, it looks like. Will not. Will not. He draft this dude. He's a second round projection. Okay, just draft him. He's got good speed.
452, yeah.
We just drafted Justin Ware.
Okay, one more pick. And then
Last pick of the draft.
we're gonna send it.
I think we go for a running back here.
Yeah. How fast is he? Oh no, I want a strong running back.
Just draft him. He's strong, dude. He's strong. He had 29 bench reps. Yeah. We're drafting Julian Edwards. And that's it for this episode of Rebuilding the Texans. Yeah. Look at him though. He's gonna give us. See ya.